Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you all how I screen record on my phone. I use Android, but I lately switched to iPhone, and using the normal screen record is a little bit difficult for me because it doesn't kind of get the audio very well. So I prefer screen recording with an app. I downloaded this app, Screen Recorder. So what you're going to do is, once you download and install the app Screen Recorder, you click on it, and you see the red star. Click on it. So here you see stop broadcast. That's because I'm broadcasting at the moment. If I click on it now, I'll stop broadcasting. If you just want to make a video that you don't want sound, just a normal video without sound, you click on micro. And I'm 100% sure I've been talking since and nobody heard what I'm saying. So that's how it happened. You can, if you click on, if you're just starting, once you just click everything, you allow you allow it to allow every allowable. You click on the red block and you see start broadcast. Just click on start broadcast. Then make sure you enable your microphone, else you won't be able to hear what you'll be saying. So that's all for my tutorial today on how I screen record. I know you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I love you guys. See you.